Theta value equivalent to $0.6411 a coin. The present reach: $0.6328, $0.6523. The earlier day close: $0.6511. The change was 0.0100, 1.54%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at $0.65. Greatest cost 68 cents, least cost 56 cents. The normal for the month 63 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 64 cents, change for October 1.5%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. To start with, cost at $0.64. Greatest cost 79 cents, least cost 59 cents. The normal for the month 66 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 63 cents, change for November 1.6%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at $0.63. Most extreme cost 71 cents, least cost 61 cents. The normal for the month 65 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 66 cents, change for December 4.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.66. Greatest cost 66 cents, least cost 51 cents. The normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 55 cents, change for January 16.7%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $0.55. Most extreme cost 63 cents, least cost 55 cents. The normal for the month 58 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 59 cents, change for February 7.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.59. Most extreme cost 59 cents, least cost 48 cents. The normal for the month 55 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 52 cents, change for spring 11.9%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.52. Greatest cost 52 cents, least cost 41 cents. The normal for the month 47 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 44 cents, change for April 15.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $0.44. Most extreme cost 45 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 42 cents, change for May 4.5%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at $0.42. Greatest cost 42 cents, least cost 36 cents. The normal for the month 40 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 39 cents, change for June 7.1%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. Initially cost at $0.39. Most extreme cost 46 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 42 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 43 cents, change for July 10.3%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. At the outset, cost at $0.43. Most extreme cost 54 cents, least cost 43 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 50 cents, change for August 16.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $0.50. Greatest cost 50 cents, least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 45 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 42 cents, change for September 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. To start with, cost at $0.42. Greatest cost 42 cents, least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 38 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 35 cents, change for October 16.7%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at $0.22. Greatest cost 22 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 20 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 18 cents, change for December 18.2%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.18. Greatest cost 21 cents, least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 20 cents, change for January 11.1%. Theta cost expectation for February 2026. At the outset, cost at $0.20. Most extreme cost 20 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 18 cents, change for February 10.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else, cost at $0.18. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17 cents, change for spring 5.6%. Theta cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset, cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17 cents, change for April 0.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. To start with, cost at $0.17. Greatest cost 21 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 20 cents, change for May 17.6%. Theta cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 25 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 23 cents, change for June 15.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. At the outset, cost at $0.23. Most extreme cost 29 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 20. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 27 cents, change for July 17.4%. Theta cost expectation for August 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.27. Greatest cost 27 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 25 cents, change for August 7.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. In the first place, cost at $0.25. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 26 cents, change for September 4.0%. Theta cost expectation for October 2026. Initially, cost at $0.26. Most extreme cost